Hello Philippines, we are anonymous. What you know or do not know about us are irrelevant. We have decided to write to you people of the Philippines, Commission on Elections in particular anti-Bautista, freedom-loving Filipinos, our intention and our active campaigns for a free, credible, and peaceful elections in the Philippines. It has come to our attention that the automated elections are being rigged by the enemies of freedom-loving Filipinos and that the elections are being sabotaged by certain entities that want to hold on to power. One big issue is the issuance of a verifiable voters' paper audit trail. The Commission on Elections anti-Bautista is suppressing the issuance of this paper trail receipt. And in spite of the Supreme Court ordering its turning on, the Commission on Elections is refusing to comply. The voters' verifiable paper audit trail is the only means to assure the voters that their vote has been counted correctly, and a paper trail will be a record of their vote in case they need to complain about their votes not being read correctly. To the COMELEC and their chairman Andy Bautista, please comply or we will be forced to demonstrate its importance. We have already deployed a Ataka virus in the SD cards used in your VCM voting machines last week through our agents. What this will do is it will sleep in the machines until May 9, 2016 and wake up once the election machines are booted up. It will infect your trusted build and make anonymous your winner for president. Upon transmission of the results, it will infect the other systems in the network and distribute our virus, creating the CM result. Anonymous will win as President of the Philippines. If you do not turn on the printing of the receipts, there is no way of knowing who really won your elections. If you turn on the printing of receipts, this will automatically disable the virus and you can proceed with your peaceful and credible elections. COMELEC, you have been warned, please abide by your laws. To the people of the Philippines, Anonymous is one with you. May you have free, credible, and peaceful elections. May the real winner be Red to run your country. Good luck to you.